It is still Christmas baking time, and if my grandma preheats the oven around Christmas time, it is to make oat cookies. These are different from the ones she used to make, but with their soft center and crunchy outside, they are a perfect option to fill up your cookie boxes. Let's get baking. First, gather your ingredients. 175 grams of brown sugar, 90 grams of butter, 30 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, and 100 grams of Quaker rolled oats. In a pot over medium heat, combine the butter and the brown sugar. Stir until the mixture melts into a smooth, thick paste. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once melted, remove it from the heat and let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes. This step is crucial to prevent the egg from scrambling when you add it next. Get a bowl and pour in your mixture. Add the vanilla and mix. This will give your cookies that warm aromatic flavor we all love. Add in the salt and the flour. And now stir in the egg until fully incorporated. Gently fold in your oats and stir everything. Then line a baking tray with parchment paper. Scoop 1 tablespoon of dough per cookie onto the tray, spacing them around at least 2 to 3 centimeters apart. For perfectly round cookies, dip a ring in water to prevent sticking, then press down to flatten each cookie. Alternatively, wet your hands and shape the dough into balls, then flatten them slightly. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius, 347 degrees Fahrenheit on the fan setting. Once hot, bake the cookies for 7 to 8 minutes or until the edges turn to a beautiful golden brown. Let the cookies cool on the tray. They'll firm up as they cool, but trust me, they're worth the wait. This recipe makes around 20 cookies, perfect for sharing or storing in a metal container for up to 3 weeks. Happy baking and happy holidays!